everyone and welcome to expertsaw.com. Today we're going to be reviewing RIKON Power Tools 10 to 324 14-inch Open Stand Bandsaw. The Open Stand Bandsaw is a tool little used by DIY enthusiasts but acclaimed by professionals. Its wide choice of blades makes it possible to carry out a very important range of works, from the fast flow of wooden planks to a more meticulous work as the cut and fretwork for the realization of furniture, for example. The bandsaw is available in two versions, the stationary saw or the bandsaw. The first model is placed on a frame and thus allows a work executed in the best conditions of comfort for the user, however, its installation requires a lot of space. The portable version is intended to be brought to where the piece of wood is to be worked. It is suitable for work outside the workshop. It is mostly used by carpenters or plumbers. The principle of operation is the same as that of the stationary bandsaw. The blade is in the form of an unbroken ribbon of steel or carbon, the teeth are inclined alternately to the left and the right. The choice of teeth and the width of the blade depends on the material to be sawn. Apart from that, the characteristics are very different. The weight of the portable bandsaw is between 6 and 20 kilograms. It is equipped with two handles allowing a better grip or work for two people, depending on the situation. The electric motor may be wired or operate on battery lithium. This is important, depending on where you want to use this tool. The engine is started using a trigger. Depending on the model, triggering the trigger causes the ignition of an integrated LED lamp. This option is very practical when used in nooks or low light areas. The motor speed is adjustable, allowing sawing all kinds of materials: wood, plastic, PVC, steel, aluminum, etc. The tension of the ribbon is adjustable, thanks to a wheel. Its change does not require special tools. All brands offer replacement ribbons to choose based on the intended work. Blade guides with ball bearings, knife guides with upper and lower ball bearings and thrust bearings reduce friction, increase blade life, and help keep the machine running during cuts. Rope and rack guide post, easily adjust the depth of cut by turning a knob. A new inch scale helps define guide heights. Very high tier barrier, increased fence height and 6 saw bar provides extra support for wood to rip or cut. As its name suggests, an open stand bandsaw is a tool that allows you to saw wood. It is particularly used for edging wood trays and fretwork. It also allows for straight, oblique and round cuts. It's usually a fairly basic tool that only has a speed. However, it is perfectly effective for slicing wood and is even essential for making an oblique or rounded cut. Extremely precise wood cutting, compared to other types of similar tools, an open stand bandsaw is much more accurate. This is explained by its blade, which is much thinner and turns much slower. Also, it usually has a much wider cutting table, which gives it better stability. So, you should not have any trouble getting a clean cut. Simple models to use. If we compare to other tools of the same type, we can see that an open stand bandsaw is quite simple to use. This is because when you use them, you do not manipulate the tool. Indeed, it is your piece of wood that you must guide to the blade. An open stand bandsaw is a fairly simple tool to use. However, to do it correctly and without any risk, you must follow these tips. Proper control of your open stand bandsaw. Before you start using it, you must make sure to check your open stand bandsaw. After checking the general condition of your tool, you must make sure that its grip is not damaged. Also, you must ensure that the blade ribbon is perfectly straight and taut. Besides, the position of all adjustable elements must be locked. Finally, you must make sure that the ribbon and guide do not touch. There is no doubt that RIKON is a durable and versatile machine with top-notch parts and components and a simple design. And the best part is, you'll never have to worry about the plastic parts in the bandsaw. It is possible that the engine is a bit of a disappointment when it comes to recutting, but if you want to complete light cutting work and make curved cuts, there is nothing better than the RIKON 10. It can be difficult to choose an open stand bandsaw. To do this, you must ask yourself the right questions and fully assess your needs. Of course, you must consider the power of the engine, but also the quality of its blade. Also, You should not neglect its various options such as cutting height or tilt level. It is very simple and fast enough. First and foremost, after each use, you must clean it thoroughly. For this, we advise you to use a vacuum cleaner, which allows you to eliminate all sawdust residues. Then you must regularly lubricate the moving parts of the device. Finally, remember to regularly check the condition of your open stand bandsaw and change the damaged parts if necessary.